Alright, so today I want to try and write my very first script. All I've ever done is just like reading and doing like guided things or like a little project or a lab or a workstation or whatever, like a workshop with instructions or a prompt or some sort of guidance. I want to try and make my own very first script just on my own from scratch. No instructions, no one telling me what to do or what requirements there are. Just me trying to like build a sandcastle on my own. Uh, so I was reading online like some beginner friendly projects and stuff, and I came across I saw someone that said rock paper scissors, and I was like, oh, that sounds kind of not too bad. I could probably do that. So we're gonna give it a shot here. Uh, Never tried writing anything before, so this may turn out terrible or it might work. We'll see. If it doesn't work, I'll just try again. Just do some looking into it and try again where the issue is and figure it out that way. But anyway, I just went ahead and looked up how to get a random number. So we got this random module that we're importing. And so we're just asking for a random integer. We're giving it a range 1 to 3. So that way, when we run the application, printing it. One, two, one. So that's working good. Now, I guess what we want to do is if random integer is equal to 1, set, how do we want I guess we would set a variable, we're going to call it bot play. This is whatever the bot is going to play this turn. Set it equal to rock. So if it returns 1, he's going to play rock. I guess we can just go ahead and copy this. And we'll do paper if it's 2. And we'll do scissors if it's 3. And then instead here we want to print the bot play. Actually going to put it here too, just to clean it up a little bit. So let's see. Rock, rock, scissors, paper, rock, paper, paper. Okay, so we got that. So the bot is taken care of. Now, oops. Now we need to get our player control. So player play will be equal to, we'll take an input. Oops. Take an input. I'll say, what do you want to play? And then we will print the output of that. And let's just see what this is like. Rock. What do you want to play? Oh, what if I do scissors? Alright, so he played rock, I played scissors. So that works. But now we don't want to see what he played before we make our play. So we're gonna do this where now it should ask me what I want to play. Pick rock. He played scissors, I played rock. Actually, I think I even want it to be the other way around. We see what we played, and then we say what he played. Might be the best case scenario. So what do you want to play? We'll do rock again. Both played rock. Again. Do paper this time. I played paper, he plays scissors. Alright, so the random is all set. Now we want to set some conditions to find a winner. So I guess we're going to do if player play is equal to rock, and bot play is to let's do paper. Right. Or what if we did the tie first for each? That'd be easy if we did tie, win, loss. So anyway, we're gonna want to have a print here. And let's see, we're gonna want to print. We'll do winner plus wins. I want to set here winner equals well, if it's rock and rock, we want it to be nobody, right? Oops, why is it doing this? Essentially that's what we want, so we'll do that. Then we're gonna do this again. If we play rock and they play, say, paper, we play rock, they play paper, then we lose. So we'll say the bot wins. If we play rock and they play scissors, then we won't say you. Oh, we're gonna have to change it to 1 to make sense. So we'll do scissors. There. So now we have rock all done. Oh, I need to add these here. So we have rock all done effectively. So as long as I play rock, then this should work. I play rock, they play scissors, you won. Okay. I guess we still want to do this. You played plus player play. And let's say the bot played plus bot play. There. Now, what do you want to play? We'll do rock just because that's what we have coded so far. You played. Oh, we should do this too. Anyway, you played rock, the bot played paper, the bot won because paper beats rock. That's true, so that works. That's good. So now, I guess we just want to copy these. Right, I want to do this again. Instead of rock, we'll do it if I play paper. And then we're gonna want another one for scissors. Oops. I only copied that. So if we play paper and they play rock, we want it to be we won. So because if we play paper, paper beats rock. If we play paper and they play paper, then it's gonna be nobody. That's a tie. If we play paper and they play scissors, then the bot won. So then if we play scissors and they play rock, the bot won again. If we play scissors and they play paper, then we won. And if we play scissors and they play scissors, nobody wins. Oops, I don't know what I just clicked there. Nobody. And now let's see what we got. What do you want to play? We'll do paper this time, just since we don't have to play rock anymore. You played paper, bot played scissors. The bot won because scissors beats paper. Okay, that works. Go again. Do paper again. Let's see if they can play something other than scissors. Paper and paper. Nobody won. Good. We'll try scissors. We play scissors. They play rock. They won. Okay. We'll do scissors again. Draw. We'll do rock. Scissors. Rock beats scissors. I should win. And you won. Yep. Try rock again. Both played rock. Nobody won. Played rock. And he plays paper. Paper beats. So the bot won. Okay, so I think we're good then. I think we got it. That's the whole. Let's see, if I wanted to take out all these blank spaces and stuff. 30 lines. 30 lines of code, and my very first project is done. What did that take, like 15 minutes or something? Okay, I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to ramp it up on my next project because that was a little too easy. I feel like that wasn't really a struggle at all. There was no point of difficulty. I guess there was a little bit of learning because well, I just never put something together on my own before. So regardless, this still just looks prettier when I separate it. So I'm gonna do that. But anyway, uh, we were able to beat this project real easy. Yeah, 15 minutes or so, probably not even, or probably, oh, maybe around there. It may have been longer than I thought. Maybe even been 20 actually. That was pretty easy, and it was nice to incorporate some of these little mini problems, like just thinking in my head, like how could I make this happen? How could I get this result uh, based off of what I know? So that was pretty cool. Very basic, rudimentary, but I mean, you gotta start somewhere. So I guess either later tonight I'll try something else a little more difficult, or maybe tomorrow, depending on what's going on tonight. But that's pretty cool. All right, well, that's it.